I would have liked to hold your hand while I say this, but I really don't want to because I told you so. Well, Google just dropped new guidance around how to optimize for search. And guess what they called it? SEO? Not GEO, not AEO, not Ultra Instinct AI Search Quantum Optimization Framework 7.0, just SEO, which is exactly what some of us have been saying from the beginning of time. Search evolved, it expanded, but it was never no old SEO, new AI hacks only. And honestly, some of y'all got distracted really, really bad. People kept trying to sell founders this idea that AI search needed special hacks, special frameworks, special rewrites, special magical prompt tests. Meanwhile, Google literally said you do not need LLMs.txt. In fact, they said you do not even need AI specific rewrites. You do not need weird chunked content, gymnastics everywhere. You do not need AI schema hacks. But do you know what you actually need? A technically accessible website, clear positioning, useful content, authority, trust, good UX, strong distribution, a business that actually deserves to be surfaced. And honestly, that's it. And this is exactly why I never bought into the idea of SEO is dead. Panic industrial complex content ecosystem. Because under all the shiny new acronyms and frameworks that this industry likes to come up with, fundamentals have barely changed. What changed was where discovery happens, how trust gets validated, and how visibility gets distributed. That's the shift. Not rewrite all your blogs for robots immediately or perish. And by the way, some of my peers genuinely told me we did have to reposition what Contensify does too. Like suddenly SEO, GEO, AEO, LLM SEO are all separate, disconnected planets. No, babe, it's one ecosystem. One visibility system. Your product, brand, content, technical SEO, authority, distribution, customer trust, PR, UX, all of it works together. Which is also why the companies that you do see stable right now are not obsessing over my paragraph chunked enough for AI. They're actually worried about, does our company deserve visibility and how are we showing up? Very different question. And honestly, this whole update just confirmed something I've believed in for years. The era of hacks is dying. Good. Because strategy should outlive trends, not retire after every single core update. Anyways, at Contensify, we help companies build search visibility without distracting you with shiny objects that cost a bomb today and disappear after the next algorithm update. So, in case you actually genuinely screwed up and lost momentum, you may want to reach out to us now.